Formula E case. In connection with the ongoing Formula E investigation, the Telangana Anti-Corruption Bureau has intensified its probe into alleged financial irregularities. That is right, linked to the Hyderabad race. And sources reveal that ACB officials are currently conducting searches at the offices of Greenco, a renewable energy company based in Hyderabad, as well as multiple other locations as part of their investigation into the matter. This comes after KTR's quash petition was dismissed by the High Court. So back-to-back updates coming in right now. Aneri, I'm coming back to you. Aneri has been tracking the story from the ground. And Aneri, so just moments after KTR's quash petition was dismissed by the High Court, it looks like that the Telangana Anti-Corruption Bureau, ACB, has intensified its probe. Now they are looking at other associates, other suspects, the offices of Greenco, which is a company based in Hyderabad. What exactly is happening? What is the latest coming in? Go ahead, Aneri.
Well, Shivangi, what we are seeing is that back-to-back developments just after the Telangana High Court had dismissed the quash petition of KTR. Well, now we see that the ACB officials are conducting checks, conducting searches at Greenco, where we see that is one of the renewable energy company which had also funded this Formula E case. And now what we are seeing is that the ACB officials are conducting searches in Hyderabad and at various locations in Andhra Pradesh. The offices of Greenco is being checked in connection with the financial irregularities that are said to be found in the Formula E racing case, and further probe is already being done by the ACB officials. This comes just after the High Court has now quashed the petition, dismissed the petition of KTR, where we see that KTR was already served notice yesterday, and the second notice which says that KTR has to appear before ACB for questioning on the 9th of January. So back-to-back developments in connection with the Formula E case, where we see that KTR is booked as the accused #1 in this particular case. Yes. So we'll have to see what is next for KTR and what would be the further investigation that would be taken up by the ACB officials.
That is right, Aneri. Thank you for getting us those details. We see that the ACB is intensifying its probe in the Formula E case, especially after KTR's quash petition was dismissed by the High Court. Taking a short break, viewers, but do not go anywhere. We will continue to be live and breaking here.
Viewers, in a big breaking news, the district election officer in New Delhi has written to the chief electoral officer of Delhi, raising concerns over Aam Aadmi Party leaders' allegations regarding voter deletions. In the letter, the DEO highlighted that AAP representatives have repeatedly sought personal details of objectors, which according to the Election Commission of India guidelines cannot be shared. The district election officer also expressed concerns over meetings called by Arvind Kejriwal without a specified agenda. Now remember, this comes as the ECI, the Election Commission of India, is all set to hold a press briefing today at 2 p.m. to announce the schedule of the Delhi Assembly polls. And now, in a big breaking, the Delhi election officer has written to the chief electoral officer in Delhi, raising concerns over Aam Aadmi Party leaders' allegations regarding voter deletions. These are the visuals on your screen, accessed by Republic, of the letter that was written by the DEO to the chief electoral officer, New Delhi. The letter highlights that AAP representatives have repeatedly sought personal details of objectors, which, as per the Election Commission of India guidelines, cannot be shared. On your screens, viewers, these are the grabs of the letter that was written by the district election officer of New Delhi to the chief electoral officer. More trouble mounting for Aam Aadmi Party right ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. In fact, just today at 2 p.m., the Election Commission of India will hold a press briefing in the national capital to announce the schedule for the Delhi Assembly polls. The letter also says, and I'm quoting here, that there has been an attempt to exert pressure on the election officer by asking personal details.